Hey everybody, I'm so glad you could join me again. Today we'll be talking about prepositions. Prepositions are words that show you where objects are. Let's begin. Where's the monkey? It's on the box. Where's the monkey? It's in the box. Where's the monkey? It's under the bench. Where's the monkey? It's between the boxes. Where's the monkey? It's next to the tree. Where's the monkey? It's behind the bike. Where's the monkey? Oh no, it's in front of the car. Now you try. Pause if it goes too fast. Great job. See you next time. Bye.